Alright, so this is our design. We are going to implement this hover effect. So whenever we are going to hover on the card, the element text and the background of this code is going to change. So we are going to implement it here. So let's open up our editing panel and then select the parent element. So select the parent element. So here collection item. I am implementing this over a collection. So here the collection item is the parent element, so click on that, then click on interactions, then click on plus icon, implement a mouse hover effect, then on hover action we are going to select an animation. We are going to delete all of them. Let's keep them all. We're going to add a new animation, so click on that plus icon and select the parent element. So we are going to change the background of the parent element. So click on the parent element, click on plus icon, set background color change, scroll down, then click on plus icon and select the background color to blue, and then click on the text icon. Next, I set a hover growth class to all of the text here, so that it's a common class for all of them, so that I can change on class and it affects all of the text that belongs to that class. So click on that and click on plus icon and then select text color and scroll down and select the white color here. Now we have to change that background color of this tip, so click on that plus icon, select background color, then scroll down and select the background color to this one. Alright, so we can see the timing is different here, so we have to group them all into single time. So you can see at initial all of three are tied together. So click on save, so give it a name, so hover start, and then click on save. Let's uh, preview it, and if I hover here then it is working perfectly, but if I remove my cursor then it is not working because we didn't set the hover out effect. So if I hover again then it works, but not working for hover out. So let's fix that. So go to the select the item and interaction. We set on hover state, but we didn't set on hover out. So click on hover out, select an animation, select plus start any animation, give it a name, so hover out, and click on plus icon. Okay, before that select the element, so we want to remove the background color of the parent element, so click on the select item, collection item, and click on plus icon, so change it background color. Remember we set initially it was blue, so now we revert back to the light gray color that is right now, and then we set the div color. So select the div, plus icon, change its color, select to blue, that is right now, and then hover group, select the hover group and click on plus icon. So text color, click on and set the text color to gray, Basically, I am setting the initial color of the elements, and we can see that we have three timestamp here, so we will group them to one. So drag it and group them together, and then click on save. So now we have hover out selected for hover out, and hover start selected for on hover. So now it is saved, and we if we open in preview mode, we can see if we hover it is working perfectly. If and if I remove the cursor, then it is getting back to previous state. So this is how we can easily solve this kind of issues. Thank you so much.